President William Ruto niwakathiia Koti wa Supreme kwa kila wakitata ulumu wa kutetheesya makoti ala manini na kwa kwithiwa maithukuma na uikiiku matie Katiba ka Kenya. Ainene ya miakoni ya Koti uku ya ilovi chathini cha kutania miaka 12 kuma Koti munene wa nthi kwambiwa. Ruto niwasakana Koti une withitwe withingilila kusila makwani ala makonete Katiba na kiki katuma Akenya methiwa na ukumu wa akisio kutetewa. Angelina Musena mauvo.
President William Ruto niwakathiia vanene Koti munene wina ukumu kwa kuikiithya kana ni withitwe withukuma kwa withianu na kutongoesya koti cionthe kwa kuatia Katiba ovumu na kutuma Akenya methiwa na mwikio kwi koti ona itino wa kwithwa withitwe wivuthiiswa vanene.
It has pronounced itself on a broad range of pertinent issues across legal landscape, and in so doing entrenched certain principles and values as non-negotiable procedural and substantive elements of good policy. It is because the court has been emphatic in its dispositions and firm in its guidance of subordinate courts that Kenyans are confident that their rights are intact and due process is indispensable. In turn, this confidence has fostered courage, openness, and vigor in our society. Values the Constitution envisioned for the Supreme Court and the judiciary in terms of being faithful to what the Constitution expected of the judiciary. We can confidently say you have passed the mark.
Na uyo vani wawetakana na itino wa Supreme Court na movia wa court kana judiciary kwithwa wivuthiiswa vanene kwa kuliana na maendekethio amwe ni ungamite na ivindi ya muongo kuikiithya kana ni wathukuma wio wayo na ukumu ula wailite kwa kuatia miao.
There is no doubt that the Supreme Court has not been short of critics during the past 12 years. Its decisions have been and will be debated and dissected vigorously, and in a number of cases disagreements will linger for long. Nevertheless, it would be unduly pessimistic to overlook the court's clear efforts to interpret the Constitution with wisdom, reinforcing pillars of democracy, justice, equality, freedom, good governance, accountability, and the rule of law in a very robust way with immense clarity.
In the short time the Supreme Court of Kenya has existed, the jurisprudence has been quite groundbreaking, and on that front, I think it will be unfair for any assessor to actually fault the performance of the Supreme Court. To deliver the public good called justice, of course, the court has to do that through its jurisprudence and through the decisions they make. The court has also done very well in terms of the infrastructure, the software, the technology bit. And among the arms of government and the agencies of government, I think the judiciary is ahead of the rest of us.
Uo kakavindani kala Koti munene wethiwa witania miaka 12 kuma ila wambiswe vala musili munene wa makwani vanthi ya Kenya Muwandu Martha Koome wa kulia maende na kukwatwa mbau nikana kuendea na uthukumi wo wa kusukumisya kuatiwa kwa meyo na kukwatikana kwa aki.
For the Supreme Court to continue fulfilling our mandate effectively, close interinstitutional and collaboration and support are vital. Upholding the rule of law and protecting constitutional rights is a collective responsibility that calls for cooperation and respect among the judiciary.
Kavindani kau munene wa maminista na ulo kwatite mwanya wa minister osese wa nthini Musalia Mudavadi ni wakulia movia wa Koti kuikiithya kana ni mokitana na siko cia ulusanini kana kutoesya nthi ya Kenya na mbe.
While the arms of government are independent, we serve the same citizens and the same republic, and as such, inevitably, all arms are interdependent. I urge each of us gathered here, within the judiciary, the executive, and the legislature, to champion this spirit of interdependence in our approach to public service.
Ilivotia vilingi wa mauvoni tawa Angelina Musena.